Nexo generally is a coin that explicitly is at present exchanged at $0.550721 per unit, with the market capitalization of $308,403,640 win. That generally makes it a low-position digital currency in an extremely significant manner. Computerized resources like Nexo generally have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration for essentially retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for enormous institutional financial backers who see Nexo and the remainder of digital currencies as a kind of compelling for the most part support against expansion that takes a kind of weighty cost for the worldwide economy. In this manner, having essentially a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto really is basically an unquestionable necessity for any dealer and financial backer who in a real sense needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in a fundamentally huge manner. However, with it truly comes the need to intently generally follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom what is happening and truly have some feeling representing things to come in an unpretentious manner. This Nexo cost expectation model explicitly was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly advancing crypto space, track down the in every practical sense best coins or tokens to truly put resources into and really keep the value bend developing, or so they most certainly thought. Yet, prior to digging into the overall Nexo examination and cost expectation, we might want to in every practical sense help you to remember the genuinely fundamental principles of digital money exchanging and speculation a kind of huge way. Yesterday, on September 25, the cost of Nexo in every practical sense remained at $0.554074 at the end of the day-to-day exchanging meeting, which comprises a 0.32% distinction when contrasted with the really current cost 7 days prior. On September 19, the Nexo market most certainly remained at $0.562736 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members. Truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. As the outcome, the cost generally moved by 0% corresponding to its most certainly present standing. A month prior, on August 26, Nexo certainly was evaluated at $0.587646, which sort of matched with our cost expectation for that really specific period. Contrasted with the extremely present place of Nexo, it addresses a 6.28% cost move, which is very huge. These figures ought to in a real sense yield you some knowledge into the ongoing business sector structure, while our top-to-bottom cost estimate explicitly depends on the appearances of CVIX in every practical sense, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Yet, to generally grasp the kind of by and large sort of capability of Nexo, or any sort of other cryptographic money besides, it's vital to for the most part consider the cost vacillations as well as changes in the market capitalization of the said advanced resource. At the point when it fundamentally comes to digital forms of money, market capitalization serves sort of more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its sort of by and large ubiquity, with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking. Numerous cryptographic money merchants view market capitalization as a critical pointer to generally be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices in an unpretentious way. It basically is determined by duplicating the especially complete number of coins that basically are right now available for use, circling supply, by the ongoing cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, as of now for the most part remains at $0.550721. Showing how it basically is determined by increasing the exceptionally absolute number of coins that basically are as of now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the fundamentally current cost of Nexo, which, as currently referenced, as of now in a real sense remains at $0.550721, which generally is genuinely critical. Considering that equation, we sort of have determined the by and large current market capitalization of Nexo to in a real sense be at $308,403,640 won, which legitimizes its place as the 73rd coin among these exceptionally present on the digital money market in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on September 25, the market capitalization of Nexo generally remained at $310,280 won 223. Keep going week. On September 19, the essentially aggregate sum of exceptionally capital gave to Nexo in every practical sense was laid out at $315,132,397. The information from a month prior, enlisted on August 26, fundamentally shows that Nexo in every way that really matters had a market capitalization of $329.08 when 628, genuinely further appearance is the outcome. The cost commonly moved by 0% comparable to its truly present standing. A month prior, on August 26, Nexo explicitly was estimated at $0.587646, which explicitly harmonized with our cost expectation for that kind of specific period, which is genuinely critical. Complete stock focuses to the quantity of coins that basically have proactively been mined, printed, or generally made and in a real sense are either circling available or secured in designers or alternately holders' truly chilly wallets in an unpretentious manner. The essentially complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that have been scorched, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate, showing how when it sort of comes to digital currencies, market capitalization fills for all goals and needs more as a mark of the coin's portion or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market. Alongside its truly by and large ubiquity with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers, which especially is genuinely huge. It can really measure up to the quantity of remarkable portions of an organization that essentially is public on the securities exchange in an unpretentious manner. The especially complete stock of Nexo right now sort of stands at 100,000,000,000 Nexo in a for the most part huge manner. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply really is the most usually involved measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to in an unpretentious manner. It relates with the best estimation of the general number of coins that in every practical sense are public on cryptographic money trades and for the most part add to their liquidity, so it can by and large measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that sort of is public on the securities exchange in an unpretentious manner. Their volume doesn't sort of incorporate the coins that sort of are vested, marked in shrewd agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or certainly put unavailable for general use, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The flowing inventory truly is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the securities exchange, exhibiting how yet prior to diving into the overall Nexo examination and cost expectation, we might want to in a real sense help you to remember the genuinely fundamental standards of cryptographic money exchanging and venture, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. At the present time, the circling supply of Nexo for the most part is assessed at 560,000,011 Nexo, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can generally assist one with explicitly deciding sort of better section and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the principles of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently generally happen at the cost levels that in a real sense are joined by generally certainly high volume, since those in every way that really matters are the volumes where large cash truly had become an integral factor, showing how their volume doesn't basically incorporate the coins that generally are secured in computerized wallets or all things considered, put unavailable for general